As you might have seen in my previous video, I talked about swing trading and how I've transitioned to swing trading because it provides me freedom away from the charts. I don't really have to be staring at it to be in a trade. Now I want to show you the a couple of swing trades that I've been involved in on my $5,000 prop account, the one on GoFunded. You can see currently up 5% in profits, and these are the trades I mean: ADCHF, GBPCHF, Euro NZD, Euro USD, and USD CAD. So let's do with the first one, ADCHF. This is like a very clean setup. Now, how the strategy works, the swing trading strategy works, is basically buying low and selling high. First of all, we identify the trend. Like, the strategy is very trend reliant. It has to be in line with the trend. So as you can see on ADCHF, we're in an uptrend. So I'm only looking for buys. And next, once I've identified the trade, I just look for a proper break of structure, which we had over here. So this was the proper break of structure we had here with candle closures above this higher high here. Next, I draw my Fibonacci tool from the swing point. Yeah. So the swing low to the swing high. Now, according to the Fibonacci strategy, anything below the 0.5 line is considered as discount. Anything above the 0.5 line is considered as premium. And in an uptrend, we want to be looking for discount prices to be buying now, because as the name implies, discount implies cheaper prices for investors to get their the worth of what they're investing. So in this trend, the discount is going to be 0.71, which is below the 0.5 line, and that is simply why I put my buy limit order. I got triggered in, and as you can see, it's currently going in profit. And ADCHF, the fundamentals are heavily in favor of the Australian dollar in comparison or against the Swiss franc. So fundamentals are also aligning with my technical bias on this trade, which increases my confidence in it. Next thing we have is Euro NZD. This also aligns fundamentally. The NZD is very strong right now because I think we're in a risk on sentiment at the moment with all the stuff happening in the world right now, and the euro is quite weak, and the technicals aligned with the whole thing happening fundamentally. We had a sweep of liquidity and the formation of the swing high and the swing low. So I just simply dragged my Fibonacci tool and put my limit order on the 0.71, which was in premium discounting. The 0.71 is above the 0.5, which means that my entry was at a premium price. So I simply set my limit order at this trade at this level, and as you can see, it's also going very good. Next trade I have was on GBP CHF. It's literally the same thing. Identify the trend, identify the swing point, drag your fib tool from the swing point and enter at the 0.71 or 0.75 level, and set and forget. Do not interact with the trade while you are in it. So the same thing follows with GBP We're in a downtrend. Simply drag my tool from swing high to swing low, entered of the 0.71 level, and as you can see, it's currently in profit. Same thing with USD CAD. Fundamentals are also a big factor of the trades I'm entering. This one had a bit of drawdown before um, currently going in profit, but the same concept still applies. Swing high, swing low. I dragged my fib tool and I entered off the 0.71 level. Entered off the 0.71 level, which was here, and you can see it's currently in profit. I thought this trade was going to lose because it came so close to my stop loss, but we're currently reversing, and that's a really good sign. And the last but not the least is on Euro USD. Please load now. Last but not least is on Euro USD. We are obviously in an uptrend because the USD is weak at the moment. So we are looking for buys. Fundamentals align with this technical that I'm seeing right here. And this higher low broke this high over here. So this was what you call a break of structure. So this is the low I dragged my sweep fib tool from. This was the high I stopped it at, and I placed my limit order at 0.71 fib level, and as you can see, it's also currently in profit. If all of this hits take profit, I've officially passed phase one because most of the profit targets are about 3.6%, 3%. Yeah, as you can see, 3% if the seeds take profits. Also, 2.5% if the seeds take profits. So if all of them hit take profits, that would be around 12% ish in profits, and I'm down 5% or 4% in I'm about 4% in drawdown. So if all of them take profit, I'm going to make up for that drawdown and more. So that's it. That's the strategy I've been using for a while now, or for a couple of weeks now, and I was using on my other Profem challenge, which I almost passed, but the Profem did me dirty. If not, I would have gotten a payout by now. But oh well, that was my fault for using a shady Profem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your family members. Peace.